Hello, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is 27th of February 2023, and this is my chart breakdown for today. A recap from Friday, we had this market around here where I said if we got a break of this high here, we resume that bullish push, or if we got that continuation, if there is no break, we continue to push this market lower. We see that the market has continued to push lower. This is some type of 1, 2, 3 pattern that has continued to push. Let's check the weekly. The weekly is heavily bullish. It has a support that it might attract. We have checked the daily. Daily still heavily bullish. It has a support that it might get to. So right now it's currently at another support here. So what do? We want to see what will happen. This week is quite an eventful week. Let me see. We have AUD CPI, we have GDP for AUD, we have PMI for USD, we have durable goods, we have unemployment claim, and we have ISM service PMI. So quite a lot of things going to happen this week. So let's start from now. So currently the market is at some type of demand zone. This market might push a little bit downwards and complete this full push. Then we can have a new Fibonacci point where we might be expecting a retracement. Yes, so I can only look to start a tiny buy if there is a break of this point here. So let me clear this out. Can only look to take buys when there is a tiny break of this point here. If not, we'll continue the bearish push. USD CHF was around here. I was saying it was giving higher lows, and the candles were giving higher lows also. And if there was no break of this level here, we'll continue that bullish push. You can see it. Currently, we are at this daily supply. The weekly is showing bullish. The weekly is showing bullish, and we see it's trying to retest this point, but it still has a lot of upward push to go. So the daily is still showing bullish push, and today might close bearish, or it might continue that bullish push, which right now it's still heavily bullish. A retracement has not even begun. So for now, it's still bulls, and it would mean we continue that bullish push. We look for a bullish setup. As of now, there is no reason for that. There is no reason. So there is no even any reason to draw a new Fibonacci. So there really isn't anything to do today than to just look at the markets. And if the market gives some type of new higher low, then we can continue pushing the market higher. So for now, there is nothing to do on USD CHF. There's nothing to look out on USD CHF. EUR USD. Now, I said this week I'll be analyzing EUR USD. That would be for people that trade EUR USD, and for a couple of weeks now I've been trading EUR USD, so it's ideal I just analyze it. So this is still almost identical as AUD USD. We have a support where the market might get to before we see any rejection. It still has a lot of downward push to go, by the way. So if you see this trend line, you see that it has confluence with the minus 61.8. So we might see the market get to that point. If it does not get to that point, there is a level currently where the market is sitting at where we might get that rejection back. So until that happens, we would wait for a break of this point here first. We would wait for a break of this point. A break of this point before we resume any tiny buy we want to buy. So for now, it's still bearish. BTC continued that push where I'm still expecting it to get to 22K or 22,300 before it pushes back up 22K. Either 22K, there's this resistance that got broken here, or 22,300 before we resume either the bullish buyers. If that does not happen, it breaks. If it breaks 21,500, then we resume that bearish push. All right, so that's all for my chart breakdown this Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Follow me on all social platforms. Ask me questions. You can drop a pair you want me to go over in the comment section, and I would answer. And then book a free call with me if you have any question, trading wise, mentorship, and I'll be glad to have you on the other side. Okay, take care, goodbye, and God bless. See you on Wednesday.